Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Stay Creative with Substack with me, Claire Venus. I am an engagement consultant and creativity mentor, and today I wanted to talk to you about using video on Substack. I've recorded this twice already, and the first time, I don't know where it went, it disappeared, it didn't download, and the second time, for some reason, my screen was not sharing. So hopefully this is, and it's all working okay. So we're going to head to add a video, and I just want to show you this looks like a regular post. So we'll scroll down. You can edit your post title video here on Substack. And your subtitle, you can add in another writer if you want to add a guest writer, and you can add text under here and put all your buttons in the way that you usually would. That'll all go in, lovely. And then you've got the option of recording a video directly into Substack or uploading a video file. Now, I did this for you yesterday. Let me just show you what that looks like in scheduled, because I've already scheduled it for the Friday email. So this is a video post, but what I did instead of going into video and then post is I went into a normal post and I pressed this button here when I was ready to insert the video. So a little bit of text, and then I inserted the video there. So if I play that, it might just take a minute to calibrate. That's two of me, a little bit odd, but that's what the video is. And it's last week's YouTube tutorial all around Substack notes. And I'm just sharing about the little video button there in the post. So you've got a couple of different options in terms of when you want to share video. Obviously, if you use this video button, in theory, you can put multiple videos within a post. So that might be something that you want to consider doing. If you use the other one, we'll go back again. I really think that the only option with that is just to do the one video, but have a play around. Substack are changing things all the time. And the reason I wanted to make this video is because I was in the beta testing for video on Substack and I didn't realize it had been fully rolled out. And I think it has been fully rolled out now. So yeah, this one is going to, so you can put another one in, but it's going to display slightly differently, I think. So you'll have the video, you'll lead with the video. You can't edit above the video there. And then if you want to put more video in, you absolutely can do that. Yeah, by doing the same thing, putting that in there, embedded into the text. So you've got a couple of options there. If I go over to, I know that my friend and colleague Susie did a video with me, and I can show you exactly what it looks like on her publication. I should be able to do that for you. And then you can see. There we go, just scroll down and find it. So this one was a Zoom video that I recorded with her paid membership, and then she has embedded it here. So this is embedded via YouTube, which is your other option. So if you didn't want to upload the raw Zoom file or record directly into Substack, then you can obviously embed a YouTube file. So you could give that a go as well. But yeah, quite a few ways to play around with video on Substack. Unlike podcasting, you haven't got the option to kind of edit what your videos are about. It's just a video post. So when you do a podcast episode post, it's different because you can talk a little bit more around what Substack section that fits in. So these are my two Substack sections here that are both podcasts. And then my post sections, I've got more than that, but video, it just seems like it all just gets pushed into your main Substack. But like I said, they do change things a lot here, and blink and you'll miss it. They're always encouraging us to do more. So yeah, I think with that one, it doesn't look like you can choose a section. But if we go back again, obviously the one that I've got scheduled, I have chosen a section for this because it lives in my slow lived growth on Substack section. So in my eyes, it's more preferential to use a post format than a video post format. I don't know how that would work in terms of SEO or the display, because video posts just pull through like that video display as the image in the app, whereas this one, you know, I don't know whether it'll do that or not. I'll see when I post it on Friday. I'll let you know. You could have a little look yourself. But yeah, video on Substack. Are you trying it? Have you got ideas for what you might do with video? I'm going to run, I think I'm going to do it over summer. So I'm going to do it over the 6 weeks of the school summer holidays, where a video post is going to go out to my paid members on Substack I feel like it's a Wednesday thing. Maybe it's a Wednesday thing. And I'm really excited to do that. So I've called it Your Self-Seeded Business. And the idea is that there are 3 creative activities to do each week that you're on your summer holidays. So if you're off with the kids, or if you just want a little bit of a break and you want to kind of design your summer in a different way, there'll be these 3 creative prompts. And the idea is that these things that you do, these seeds that you plant, can then grow and flourish in the rest of the year and years to come. So have a little look out for that if you're on my membership. If you're not on my membership, feel free to join. I am so enjoying hosting the membership over on Substack. It's such a precious place to be. I'm really grateful for it. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.